everyone, my name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. Welcome back to Foyr Fix It Friday, our weekly series where we solve your Foyr Neo queries with quick and easy tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create customized splashback and tile patterns. Let's dive in. We jump straight into 3D mode, as here we can work with textures. If you want to create a tile splashback on a similar wall like this one, but you don't want to have it on a full wall, then you can use the Create New Product tool. With the Create New Product tool, you can outline the area where you want to apply tiles. We can give it some depth. Click on Done, and now we will punch the windows through the product that we created. So we'll click on a window, click on the punch tool, another window, and the last window. And now you can apply tiles on that created product. With the Create Your Product tool, you can create any shape you want. For example, if you need a splashback that is angled from one side, then you will just use a pen tool. Now push and pull. And when you click on Done, you're able to apply tiles on a created shape. As you can see, by using Create New Product tool, you can create many different shapes for your splashbacks. In the same way, you can also create multiple floor textures. We also have some tiles in our catalog. If you go to Catalog and type in tile, you can use a 3D product, simply copy it, and align it. To make sure that your tiles are properly aligned, you can click on a product, click on Free Movement, click on Edit, and now check the position of your tiles, X and Z. Click on the other tile, again Free Movement and Edit, and check if the numbers are the same. If not, then type in the same numbers for both of the tiles. Now you can group these tiles and clone it again. We can also create customized tile patterns. To do that, we will use again Create New Product tool. Click on Create New Product tool, create yourself and rectangle. We will create a custom tile design for this full wall. So first I will trace the wall with a rectangle tool. We'll give it some depth. And now, by using rectangle tool again, I will outline the pattern of my tiles. I will type in the size of a single tile. And now I will start to create a different pattern. Now we will use the offset tool to offset our tiles. We can create a small offset if we don't want the grout to be visible, or we can create a larger offset if we want to apply a grout color. I will do half with very small grout and then half with the bigger grout to show you the difference. And now choose the texture for your tiles. I will use one of my uploaded textures. I will use these two similar tiles and mix them to create a very realistic result. Now we will use the copy texture tool and we will just mix the tiles. We can use the horizontal offset to make each tile texture unique. In the places where we created smaller offset, we don't need to apply any grout, but if you want to have your grout visible, then in the larger offset you can choose a color and apply color on the grout. And this is how your custom design tile pattern looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!